Namaste, welcome to Nifty Analysis. I am Raksha and I am here with a pro tip for all our Bhumi users, a particular trade setup using Bhumi 2.0 and our supporting tool Bhumi Absolute for the targets and SLs. Well, this setup is very easy one and very easily identifiable while using the charts here. Well, the setup is star followed by a buy label or a sell label. So for a green zone, of course, there should be a zone of a label for sure for the entry one. The buy label or sell label should be must be in zones, particular zones. For a buy it should be in green zone and for a sell it should be in red zone. So the setup is, I'll just mark it guys for you. The setup is a star and a buy label or a star followed by a sell label. So this is the setup which you should consider very importantly. It's a significant setup here. A star followed by a buy label or a star followed by sell label for a buy and sell respectively. The only thing which you have to take care is the distance between the star and the label should not be more than 2 candles or maximum 3 candles if your risk to reward allows you, and if the absolute levels are giving you 3 candles only in the case if absolute is giving you the entry signals that okay you can go for it because your risk to reward is good. So I'll just quickly select 2 or 3 stocks here just to show you, and I won't take much long because I want you guys to go and check how these are performing and how these are giving you the results, and you will be very happy to see that. Now only thing now for the intraday ones, we try to use absolute levels as I've already explained in our market trap videos and how to use the absolute levels in that, like when to take entries and when to avoid or when to wait for the entry. So here, for example, in this scenario, there's a sell, there's a buy, uptrend star, and then there's a buy. Now our entry candle would precisely be at 9:45, but as the risk to reward is not good, so we will not enter on this candle for sure. One thing is also is there that as the probability, the accuracy of this is very good. It's more than 90%. 90%, yes guys, more than that. And market doesn't come down below the star candle in any kind of trend. If it is a buy for the buy, and then for sell it won't go up, so we are safe in that trade. Now what we have to do is, like, it's already, there were very big candles here, so a retracement was expected. So we won't enter on this candle. We'll wait. If it will come and give or break out again at this green line, we'll enter here on this another candle. First target is blue and then the purple. You can see that is already almost it touched our target here, just like 34 20 pesos. Now I'll just give you a few, show you for a few more examples about this kind of setup. Here's one star, but it's like after 2 o'clock, so we won't enter here. I'll just scroll one more. Okay, here we got one. Now why we won't take it here? Because both of these are in black zones, so this setup is not proper for entry one. So we'll ignore anything which is in black zone. Now one setup again, I got one is here, the star followed by sell, and that is also consecutive. Now your risk to reward is not good in this scenario. Okay, precisely your SL will be above the star. In this case, if you are willing to take risk, you can put an SL here, and your entry will be just next candle of the label here at 10:30, and your first target is green, second is blue. So if you are willing to take the risk, you can take that. But if you are a trader with a small capital, I'm sorry for that, a trader with a small capital, you should wait for a breakout here, just like here. Your entry will be at 12:30. SL will be few points above this. Like if we go for the swing, the nearest swing is here, so few points above this, and your target is blue line, and you can keep it running for this. And as soon as it gave you almost is touched just few points away, you can wait for this, and we'll just check if there's, yes, as what I was as I already told you in my earlier market trap video, that the absolute levels of earlier days acts as a very good support and resistance. So you can see here 9th June blue line is acting as a support here, so as soon as it touched here, that's the reason it didn't give the blue line of that day. So as soon as it touched here, just try to find out the nearest one absolute levels for supports or resistance. So as it already gave us a target here, and here is your a beautiful run of Adani Ports. I'll just check for another one. Although the distance was too much for here, but still it gave a very decent run here in this. But we won't enter because the gap between the star and the label is more than 2 or max to max 3 candles. Let me select Asian Paints. I'll just quickly go behind. Okay, there's one more setup here for purple candle, and all you know the purple candle, our star trade entry. This purple candle gives you the highest probability of market, and there will be a separate another video for purple candles. So let us leave this one. You can see the result of the purple candle, but let us leave it here for the another one. Okay, I got one here. 9th of June, Asian Paints 15 minutes, a star followed by buy. Your entry candle is this 9:45 Lex candle. Your first target is blue and then is purple, and you can see that it has given the target. Then another one, the same day it gave us, but it was like after 2 o'clock. So we do not enter the trade after 2 o'clock for intraday ones. But still, if you're a position well, you can see from here to here, and it's going down. Right now again, there's one more setup here. As I told you, not more than 2 to 3 candles. It's just 2 candles, and that too in a very doji ones. So the price difference is not that much, but still, it is a proper setup. It's a star with a buy. Our entry candle is this candle, so we can wait for a breakout also. Our entry can be at 1 o'clock. Our first target is green, second is the blue line. But as it's already, the day has already been, it's on the top of the hours, so that's why the profit here was only till green line. But most probably it will be touching the blue line tomorrow. I mean, like in Monday for sure. So I'll just randomly select few more stocks. Like for example, I'll select Tata Motors because as per the study, it's the most traded one, the most traded stock with as per volume point of view. So I'll just scroll back, and you can see another purple here. Okay, here's the setup. The star followed by buy. Your entry is in here. First target is blue and then purple. You can either wait for the breakout, or you can also take this and put the SL below the green line, and coincidentally the green line and the star are just adjacent here. So if you're willing to take the risk, you can put the SL below the star, because it won't go below the star. This rally won't go below the star, or for a sell above the star can. Okay, so here in this scenario, my nearest I would put it below the green line. My target is purple line. As soon as it touches the purple line, I put my entry to SL and let it go for the EOD, because it was already on the upper side. So there are for another anything which is above the purple, if I want to check, there are no other you can check for the earlier absolute levels for the targets above or below the purple lines. You can check my market wrap video also for this explanation, that how to use absolute lines as support and resistance, and for the targets for the prices going above or below the lines, which are like this. There are no other lines there. So I'll randomly select one more, IndusInd Bank. Reason of IndusInd Bank is also this, that it is mostly traded in the recent month. So I'll just quickly check on for this setup. No, there's no star here. Okay, now here is one, not more than 2 candles. Your entry is here at 9:30. First target green, second is blue, and you can see the probability of this trade. Now this is buy followed by star, so this is not the setup. Our setup is star followed by buy, and that too in zone. Okay, that's very important part. Again here, star followed by buy here. It's a contradictory candle, but my risk to reward is very near, because my my SL will be a few points or half below the half of the candle, and if you want to take the risk, you can put it below the star candle, because it's not going to break this for sure. So As you can see, it has already touched the target in the last hours, and one more here, but there was already the gap down here, so we are not taking this trade. And here 145 candle and then buy label, so top of the hours, but still it gave the run. So this is the setup which I was talking about: a star followed by buy label or a star followed by sell label. Important points are: use the absolute for entries, like either they are the breakout candles or not, and the SLs can be the two SLs can be there. You can either use the absolute level on the safer side, and for the absolute how to use the SL and SL for any trade, you can check my market trap videos. And also one more SL you can put is like above star candle or below star candle. So these are the two things which you can put for SL. The targets are the absolute levels for intraday, and I want you guys to check how this is behaving, and like I would like to see your results. You can share those charts, or you can share those results with us on Twitter, or you can also email us on info@niftyanalysis.in. Thank you so much for being here, and don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. Thank you so much.